The Illinois Supreme Court has put on hold for now a controversial provision of the Safety Act that would have ended cash bail in Illinois. So what happens now? Well, Fox 32's Dane Placco talks to a legal expert who says it could be some time before we know the future of cash bail in Illinois.
The Illinois Supreme Court said we're going to take this case.
Lawyer and legal analyst Karen Conti says she's not surprised by the court's decision. Last year, Illinois lawmakers passed the controversial Safety Act, which, among other things, gets rid of cash bail in Illinois, which advocates say unfairly impacts minorities and poor people, sometimes keeping them locked up for petty offenses. But last week, a Kankakee County judge agreed with state's attorneys in 65 Illinois counties who filed a lawsuit arguing that eliminating cash bail is unconstitutional.
If a legislature wants to make the changes that are in the Safety Act regarding no cash bail, it looks to me like they would have to issue a referendum and have the people decide whether or not they want to amend the Constitution to provide for it.
After that Kankakee judge's decision, the Supreme Court stepped in hours before the law was to take effect, saying that having different pretrial rules in different Illinois counties would create chaos.
So the Supreme Court said, lest we have a massive amount of chaos going on in the state about do we have cash bail, do we not have cash bail, the Supreme Court said we're going to stay all provisions regarding the Safety Act that has to do with no cash bail until we, the Illinois Supreme Court, decide the issue.
Conti says it'll likely take the Supreme Court a week or two to make that decision, possibly longer if oral arguments are involved. And no matter what they decide, the cash bail question may still not be resolved.
I don't think the Illinois Supreme Court is the last stop for this law. Remember, this is the first time a law like this has been passed in the United States. So whatever the ruling is, whoever doesn't like this ruling, you are sure they're going to appeal it to the U.S. Supreme Court.
At the Thompson Center, Dane Placco, Fox 32 Chicago.